Are you looking for the best heat gun in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best heat gun that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 trademark compact heat gun. Milwaukee makes some of the best handheld power tools in the world. They have a reputation for professional quality tools that outperform their competitors. That's a big reason we've put the Milwaukee M18 trademark heat gun so high on our list. Before we even checked this tool out, we knew we were onto a winner. Powered by an XC 5.0 battery, this heat gun can go where cordless power tools can't. It can heat over 40 connections on a single charge, making it the perfect tool for difficult-to-reach areas. It's also just 6.4 inches long, which makes it easier to maneuver in tight gaps. Being a Milwaukee tool, you'd expect this heat gun to last forever. Unlike cheaper heat guns that burn out after a couple of months, this tool uses RedLink Intelligence, a temperature management system that stops it from overheating. Other features included a guarded nozzle, a ladder hook for easy hanging, and a powerful LED light. Up next in the 4th place is the Secone heat gun. Whether you are looking to melt tough wax in hard-to-reach areas or just removing a stubborn bumper sticker, you can trust this heat gun to get the job done fast and easy. It is powerfully built to heat quickly, with temperatures rising up to over 600 degrees Celsius, operating at 1,800 watts. It can operate on low and high heat, giving you the flexibility to work on minor and major projects. For solid control and protection, this heat gun protects against overloading, helping to avoid circuit damage whilst in use. It features different nozzle types for various tasks, two for concentrating heat on one surface, another for deflecting the heat produced on narrow surfaces, and another for reflecting and dispersing heat evenly, giving you the flexibility to get your work done. It is a durable tool that can last long, even after multiple uses. Compared to similar products, Secone heat gun is a great value for money and is highly recommended. For more amazing tools, check out our guide to the best vacuum pumps. The 3rd product on our list is the PorterCable PC 11500HG 11500 watt heat gun. Now, for something a little more serious. The PorterCable PC 11500HG is more suited for people planning to use their heat gun regularly. It's higher quality in almost every way than the cheaper options available, and it's a huge upgrade on their previous heat gun model, the PorterCable 1700. For starters, they've upgraded the way it looks. It has Porter and Cable's recognizable colors covering a tough-looking casing. And it's not just tough-looking, it's made to withstand some serious knocks. They've also included an ergonomic rubber handle, which has a power switch with 2 temperature options. Unlike the 2 previous heat guns, they don't make it obvious how hot each setting is, but we've found out that they're 900 degree F and 150 degree F. Interestingly, that means it's not as powerful as the Genesis heat gun, but it should still have plenty of oomph to get the job done. Second on our list is the Wagner Spraytech HT400 embossing heat gun. If you're looking for an affordable heat gun for DIY tasks, the Wagner Spraytech HT400 is the way to go. It can't reach the same high temperatures as some of the premium heat guns we've looked at, but it gets hot enough for stripping paints and other similar tasks. It has 2 temperature settings, high 680 degree F and low 450 degree F. The only slight downside is that it doesn't have variable temperature control, so you're limited to those 2 temperatures. On the plus side, it's designed to be much smaller than most heat guns, so you can fit it into tight spaces and be more precise with it. It also has 3 different operating positions: palm, pencil, and hand-free. We haven't seen this versatility on other heat guns, so it's a huge benefit for hobbyists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milwaukee Electric Tools 2688-21M18 Heat Gun Kit. The Milwaukee 2688-21M18 is the daddy of heat guns. Well, at least you would hope it is, because it costs over 3 times more than its nearest competitor on this list. So, what makes it so special? Well, there are a few things. Firstly, it's designed for use by professional tradesmen. If you need to thaw a bit of ice out in your freezer or loosen a bolt that you can't untighten, you probably don't need this gun. This is designed for professionals who need a reliable tool for heating, tubing, and other applications. You can tell that it's designed for heavy use because of the quality of the construction. It's made to last. The second main difference is that it is battery powered. Instead of being powered by a long and cumbersome power cord, it takes its power from a red lithium trademark battery. This is Milwaukee's own brand of powerful, portable, and rechargeable batteries. It can heat 40 connections on one charge, and you can buy extra batteries if you think you'll need them. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.